Hey developers, so do you have any game idea for a recent, just kind of that, but do not have any platform to develop it? So if you have such a problem, then you are at the right place. So today we are going to discuss 10 best game developing platforms which will easily helping you in create your game and show the world in that way that it is very curiously to play this. So the 10th platform is GameFruit. Best for simplifies game development for beginners without any coding skills. Developers can conveniently create objects, structures, and terrains according to their needs. GameFruit simplifies game development for beginners without any coding knowledge. It allows novices to craft quick and responsive games on mobile and the web. Developers can conveniently create objects, structures, and terrains according to their needs. They can also create interactive items easily in addition to selecting them from the big database. You can use the intuitive tools menu to control all gaming elements. Well, the cons of this program is that the engine is not as powerful as other game development programs. Registration is necessary to access all features of the editor. These cons make it to get the position of number 10. Well, the ninth one is RPG Maker. Best for it allows you to make RPG games without coding and art skills. Provides room for experienced programmers to make use of their coding skills. Well, RPG Maker MV is the latest installment and best version out of several options. This version builds upon the philosophy of developing games without programming expertise. An abundance of sample data, character generators, sample maps, and other resources have been included in the engine to streamline projects. The latest version includes a vastly expanded database containing characters, classes, skills, items, weapons, armor, animations, style sets, events, actions, and more. Well, the cons of this program are since there is no manual scripting capability, 3D support is not present. No built-in feature for real-time testing, scripts and plugins must be used. Well, the eighth is Game Maker Studio 2. Best for very easy to learn. The active community offers technical help and lots of tutorials. The marketplace provides plenty of assets and resources. Well, GameMaker allows you to make high quality 2D end games, even if you have zero coding experience. Object Editor provides all required features to modify and manipulate the game object. You can simply use the drag and drop features without the need for writing code. You can craft the game that you desire by selecting actions and events from the extensive built-in library. The code preview feature allows you to monitor the code behind different elements so that you can hone your programming skills and customize your game with high precision. Well, the cons of this are you must purchase extra plugins to export to certain platforms, cannot embed videos with games. Well, the seventh is Game Salad. Best for the intuitive interface is very easy to use. It requires no coding experience at all. Game Salad is a very easy to use game making tool for 2D games. It allows you to create 2D games without any coding experience. With this simple platform, you can even make your first game in an hour. Simple drag and drop and one click feature speeds up game development and even allows children to create games. Game Salad is marketed as an educational tool for introducing game design to children. Well, the cons of this are that a limited physics engine does not provide in-depth control to customize gameplay. The limited set of features and functions make this suitable only for very basic games. Now, the sixth one is Unity, very popular in the recent times. Best for leading app for game development, virtual reality, and augmented reality. Extremely easy to use, especially when compared to other platforms with similar capabilities. More economical than the other game development tools of the same caliber. Well, Unity is the game development suite of choice for leading studios and developers of AAA games. Unity Editor provides play mode to monitor the effects of your interaction in real time. There be acceleration workflow The versatile editor provides all necessary tools for creating characters, graphics, and the environment, as well as functions for creating top quality gameplay and logic. Well, the cons of this are that you must pay extra for the mobile version. The Mono 2.6 runtime is not fully compatible with .NET and lacks the latest C hashtag features. Well, the fifth one is Twine. Well, best for Twine makes it easy to create interactive text games. It requires little or no programming knowledge, free web and desktop app. Well, Twine is an open source program that allows you to create non-linear and high interactive text-based game. This intuitive free game making software requires no coding experience. If you have the proficiency, you can include JavaScript, CSS, images, conditional logic, and variables. The remarkable simplicity of this tool means that anyone who can write fiction can make a text game with several different endings or create a gripping mystery adventure. It is one of the best platforms for developing interactive fiction. Well, the cons of this platform are you will need programming knowledge, JavaScript, CSS, etc. for customization. Polls can be improved. Fourth, construct 2. Best for easy to learn, it allows you to make impressive games in a short time. Active support community, one time purchase payment makes you eligible for free updates for a lifetime. Suitable for beginners with little or no programming language skills or experience. With Construct 2, you can create 2D HTML5 games without any coding knowledge. Due to streamlined and easy workflow, the developers can create games in days rather than months. Creating games is an easy as dragging and dropping objects, assigning them behaviors and utilizing events. The intuitive and easy to use interface allows you to develop games straight away. Even if you have no experience in this field, the layout editor enables the easy creation and editing of levels using the what do you see is what you get. Why approach. With the embedded image editor, you can make rapid modifications to object graphics. Well, the cons of this is that the free version has very limited features. As it relies on JavaScript, mobile performance is very poor. But the third is Stencil, best for a cross-platform tool that will allow you to publish Mac, Windows, Flash, Android, and iOS games without coding. Advanced users can utilize Hex scripting to extend the engine and create personalized classes. As games are exported to native code, performance on all platforms is very fast. Stencil allows inexperienced developers to make stunning and addictive 2D games without the need to write code. It provides intuitive and comprehensive tool sets to streamline your workflow and accelerate development. This program manages all technical details while allowing you to focus on what is most important, i.e., designing and customizing the game according to your ideas. Well, the cons of this platform is that some features do not work well for Android, suitable for small games only. Second is Autodesk, best for industry standard and top preference for animation and modeling in AAA games. Using the Mel language, you can download or write custom scripts. Realistic and powerful rendering is combined with easy of use. Autodesk offers a suite of programs for making the most stunning visuals, immersive environments, and 3D models. Unsurprisingly, Autodesk is at the heart of many blockbuster AAA games. With Maya, you can create the most realistic 3D models. The program allows responsive manipulation and fast playback of characters' rigs with parallel rig evolution. A toolset is provided with a full list of features for animation, character creation, and editing. This versatile platform can be easily customized and integrated into the game development pipeline. Well, the cons are that both 3Ds, Max and Maya have steep learning curves as they are feature rich. Autodesk programs are not cross platform, they work only on Windows. Well, the first on a rank is GDevelop, best for open source, intuitive, and easy to use interface, support for HTML5 and native games, comprehensive documentation for quick learning, multi language support. Open source free software GDevelop allows developers to make games without programming skills. It allows you to create objects for games such as sprites, text objects, video objects, and custom shapes. You can control the behavior of objects using different tools such as the physics engine that allows objects to exhibit realistic behavior. Additionally, the screen editor allows you to edit all levels as well as create them. You can use the events feature of this free software to define reusable functions that can be utilized as expressions, condition, and actions for games. The other game creation program do not provide this feature. Well, the cons of this are that needs more in-depth tutorials to cover all aspects. Object behavior is generalized. Well, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys, and hope you like this video. Like this and subscribe to our channel, and also share the video with your friends. And till the time, I take a leave, and good